Ready to build your own intelligent chatbot that can understand and respond like a human? Let's dive into making a chatbot with the powerful Gemini API. First, we need to access the core of our chatbot's intelligence, the Gemini API. Head over to Google AI Studio. This is where you'll get your API key, which is essentially the secret handshake your chatbot uses to communicate with Gemini. Next, let's design the conversation. Think about how you want your chatbot to interact. What questions should it answer? What tasks should it perform? Sketch out a conversational flow, mapping out different user inputs, and the chatbot's potential responses. This flowchart will be your roadmap for creating an engaging dialogue. Now, we empower our chatbot with natural language understanding, or NLU. This is how Gemini interprets what users are actually saying. Even if they don't use exact phrases, we'll configure Gemini to understand intent, extract key information from user messages, and then generate relevant and context-aware replies. Finally, let's bring your chatbot to life by integrating it with platforms where users already are, whether it's a custom web application, a Slack workspace, or even a Discord server. The Gemini API can be connected to these various messaging channels, allowing your intelligent virtual assistant to engage with users seamlessly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building smart, engaging chatbots that can revolutionize how we interact with technology. Happy building.